Hi everyone, I am Zarka Sarwat from Department of Zoology of JAT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon, Nashik. Dear student, today we are going to discuss about our subject, that is mammalian physiology and endocrinology. In that, our first topic, that is unit number 1, human nutrition. Okay, first of all, what is the nutrition? Nutrition, it is a basic component of our health. It is of prime importance in the attainment of normal growth of our body, development of our body and maintenance of health throughout the life. So nutrition is very basic component of our life. Nutrition is the biochemical and physiological processes by which an organism uses food to support its life. It includes ingestion, absorption, assimilation, biosynthesis, that is anabolism and catabolism and excretion. These all steps are included in the process of nutrition. Nutrition is the science that interprets the interaction of nutrients and other substances in the food. These nutrients are, that is phytonutrient, anthocyanin, tannins, etc. in relation to maintain the growth of our body, reproduction, health and disease of an organism. It also includes food intake, absorption, assimilation of food material, biosynthesis and catabolism, and after the egestion or excretion process. So, nutrition is the science of food values in which the effect of food in our body is explained. Okay, next point, that is the definition of nutrition. Nutrition is defined as the science of food, the nutrient and other substances, their action, interaction and balance in relation to health and disease, and the process by which the organism ingest, digest, absorb, transport and utilize nutrient and dispose of their end product. ओके, तो न्यूट्रिशन क्या है? डेफिनेशन है, न्यूट्रिशन इज डिफाइंड एज द साइंस ऑफ फूड, द न्यूट्रिएंट एंड अदर सब्सटेंसेज विच आर अवेलेबल इन द फूड मटेरियल, दैट इज प्रोटीन, विटामिन, carbohydrate, fat, lipid. These all are called as nutrient. They are further classified as macronutrient and micronutrient. So these all substances, their action and interaction for to balance our health. Okay, and diseases, the process by which the organism ingests, digest, absorb, transport and utilizes nutrient and dispose of their end product. Okay, so it is the definition of nutrient. Further we will discuss the different definition given by the different scientists. So first of all, nutrients are defined as the constituent of food which perform important functions in our body. अभी हमने डिस्कस किया कि कौन कौन से कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट होते हैं, कौन कौन से न्यूट्रिएंट होते हैं फूड मटेरियल में. दैट में बी कार्बोहाइड्रेट, लिपिड, प्रोटीन, विटामिन. These all are called as the constituent of food which make the food complete. Okay, so the constituent of food which perform important functions in our body, if these nutrients are not present in our body in sufficient amount, the result is ill health. अगर ये सारे न्यूट्रिएंट हमारी बॉडी में नहीं जा रहे हैं या हमारी फूड में नहीं प्रेजेंट है सफिशिएंट अमाउंट में, तो ये हमारी हेल्थ के लिए हार्मफुल है. ये हमारी हेल्थ को बुरी तौर से डिस्ट्रॉय कर सकते हैं. ओके, इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट इंक्लूड कार्बोहाइड्रेट, प्रोटीन, लिपिड, विटामिन्स, मिनरल एंड वाटर. दीज आर सम important nutrient which should be present in our diet. Okay, so definition, nutrients are defined as the constituents of food which perform important function in our body. If these nutrients are not present in our body or in our food in sufficient amount, the result is ill death. Ill health. Important nutrients include carbohydrate, protein, lipid, vitamin, minerals, and water. Okay. Now next point, next definition, that is it is the science of food. As we discussed earlier, it is the science of food, the nutrients and other substances therein, their action, their interaction and balance in relation to health and disease. Okay. So the second definition is similar as first, in that what happened, the nutrient and other substances which is present in the food material, their action, interaction and their balance to maintain the health of our body. So these are called as the nutrient. Okay. So here we are going to discuss about classes of nutrient. First is carbohydrate, fat, fibers, minerals, protein, vitamin and water. These are the important nutrients which should have present in our food material. Okay. 7 major classes of nutrient. In that, number 1, carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, it is the main source of energy. Next, fat, that is the source of energy and important in relation to fat soluble vitamins. Third, fibers. The fibrous indigestible portion of our diet, essential to health. Minerals, inorganic element which are critical to its own normal function. Proteins, essential to growth and repair of muscle and body tissue. Vitamins, water and fat soluble vitamins play important role in chemical processes. Next, water, essential to normal body function as a vehicle for carrying other nutrients. Okay, so water, it is very important nutrient for our diet because it acts as a vehicle for carrying other nutrient in our body. Okay, so there are 7 major classes of nutrient: carbohydrate, fat, fiber, mineral, protein, vitamin and water. These 7 classes of nutrient are very essential for the development, for the growth of our body, and it should be present in our diet. Nutrient classes can be categorized as either macronutrient or micronutrient. So first of all, we will discuss about macronutrient. As the name indicated, macro means large. These are the large sized nutrient that are carbohydrate, fat, fiber, protein and water. Micronutrients are minerals and vitamin. As the name indicated, their size should be small as compared to macronutrient. So micronutrients are minerals and vitamins. Macronutrients provide energy which is measured in joule or kilocalories. It is the measurement of energy, or it is the unit of energy, that is joule or kilocalories. Carbohydrate and protein provide 17 kilojoule, that is 4 kilocalorie of energy per gram. कार्बोहाइड्रेट और प्रोटीन के बारे में बताया जा रहा है कि ये 1 ग्राम अगर हम इंजेस्ट करते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी को कितनी एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करते हैं, दैट इज़ 17 किलो जूल और 4 किलो कैलोरी एनर्जी पर ग्राम, वाइल फैट प्रोवाइड 37 किलो जूल पर ग्राम. Vitamin, mineral, fiber and water do not provide energy but are necessary for some other reason. Okay. Next, the human body contains chemical compounds such as water, carbohydrate, amino acid, fatty acid and nucleic acid. These compounds in turn consist of elements such as carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium, iron, zinc, magnesium, manganese and so on. These are the components which is present in the body. All of these chemical compound and element occur in various form and combination. उसके एग्जाम्पल हम देख सकते हैं कॉम्बिनेशन में कैसे पाए जाएंगे, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ हार्मोन, विटामिन, फॉस्फोलिपिड एंड हाइड्रोक्सी एपेटाइट, both in the human body and in the plant and animal organism that are humans eat. Okay, so these are some important point regarding classes of nutrient, and this chapter is not close here. We will discuss about the classification of nutrition in the next lecture. I hope this video is helpful for you. Keep watching. Thank you.